Hey, I just have a problem with the new update. I have version 6.8, and there's something wrong with this power. So as you can see, okay, let's see. As you can see here, it is 200 out of 250, and that's only just 4 wheels. 1, 2, 3, 4. As you can see, 4 wheels. And the problem I'm having is where is it? This one here? Yeah. You can see the power says here 35. So in theory, 4 times 35 should give me 150, I think. Hold on, give me a sec just to calculate that. Hold on, so 140. Sorry, 140. I'm supposed to be doing 140, so that means that if I take, oh man, I can't even see it. If you guys need to sort out these icons. Look how big these icons are. They're massive, hard to move around in this. But as you can see there, 200 for 4 wheels. I've taken out the power for this stasis pod. If you can see, if I add the stasis pod to it, so 200, if I add the stasis pod to it, oh sorry, you will see it's 250, so that means that if I take it out, it is now 200, so that's alright. That's 50 for that. But if I take it off my wheels, which is now 200, take it off the wheel, there, it's 100, it's 150 now. So it is using 50 power. Why am I using 50 power? That makes no sense. And also, you guys might not know, and because you haven't been watching my video anyway, but I have another vehicle, and as you can see on the top of my bar, the letter C, if you can see here, this also, yeah, so this is also C as well. C means my car. So if you look at this, so this is also a C, and this means my car. This C here is my other car that disappeared in the mountains. As when I was in, I think the 6.5, yeah, 6.5. I had my car at this, placed it in the mountains, walked out, and did my stuff to scout the area, so for potholes and crevices and stuff. Came back, my vehicle disappeared. Now it's stuck out there and I can't get it. I think it's up in the sky somewhere. I can't get it back. And also, I also had my other car here at 6.7. I had my car here. I updated it to 6.8. It disappeared. It's not even on my radar anymore. So I should have 4. Where's this one? That's also, let's see. Hold on, just give me a sec. I just need to try to see. Oh, okay, yep. So there, as you can see, next to A on the top corner, that is my car. That's my third car. How far away is it? Yep, so that's my car. So I have no idea why it got teleported from my base there all the way down to there. And also, if you can see near this on the top corner, yeah, on my navigation bar, my what do you call it? This escape pod? Yeah, escape pod. It says there is 14.0 14 k's away, which it's not supposed to be, because it disappeared for some reason, I don't know why, from my current location, which is, I'll show you where it's supposed to be, right here. There's my crash site, right here. As you would know, this, you designed this to be my crash site, and don't know why it's got teleported 14 k's away. I've tried to go to that, but if you actually see my, oh, what the hell, that's my car there. As you can see, it got thrown away from down there. Why? Why would you throw my vehicle away? I need my vehicle. Also, if you haven't noticed, I'll sort this out later. Oh, I can use this one as an example. Yes, there's a battery on this. Alright, so there you go. The battery's here. As you can see, why is the icon so big, and also why do I need to add fuel, which I think the fuel consumption on that versus the wheel is too much. So you guys said on the update that the tire will use less power, less power, but right now I can only use 2 because of the one battery. I can only power up two wheels. Yeah, so that doesn't make any sense either. So yeah, and also what else gonna say? Why would you make battery on this? Why would you make battery on this for your mobile vehicle? Now I can no longer use this because of how complicated it is to make one of these, and especially when you're on the road making one of them. Why? It's easy to get biofuel, just grab this. So that's why I have a bio generator versus a battery pack. Now I have to upsize my vehicle to a bio generator. So that's why I have to now make another vehicle. Yeah, so that's why I have to make another vehicle that is this big versus something that is this big, just to get power. Because how much do they produce? Where did I put it? It doesn't tell you how much it produces, but yes. So for this I need to build these two. To build these two I need these two, and then to build that I also need these two. So I have to get 4 sets of materials to build one, and the time I will take, it just doesn't make any sense. But yeah, there's way too much building, crafting just to get power, and especially when you're doing a long drive, that is not an option, to constantly stop and build, what do you call it, build a mini base, a full mini base in order to get it. So you need to build a bio generator, then you need to build what else do you need? 3D printer. Can you actually build those materials? No, you can't. So you need to build a bio generator, build a 3D printer in order to build in order to build your materials. Hold on, just give me a second. Yes. Hold on, give me a sec. So, oh no, I don't have any power here. Just give me a sec. Yeah, look how big these icons are. They're pretty big. You need to sort that icons out somehow. Especially when you go into one for, you just saw my other one, especially if you do it for this. Look at this, look how massive these icons are. I can't place anything, I can't identify, I can't locate. Look, I can't even do this. Oh, I'll probably put that one, but yeah, look at that, it's covered, I can't even see it. That one's alright, but yeah, sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. But look, there's a battery pack like right here. I can't even see it. See, you can't even see it. No, that's not it. That one, yeah, that one's the battery pack right here. See, you can't even see it. You can't even. Sometimes you can't even click on it. Look at that. Oh wait, there, yeah. See, I can't even click on the other one. Yeah, you guys need to sort out these icons. But anyway, apart from the icons, so to build this, yes, so in an emergency 3D printer you can only build up to about here, but to get this you need to build a medium 3D printer. So that's kind of odd or hard, oh yes, kind of hard and long process. So you need to build this power generator, then build a 3D printer, then you have to build a bigger 3D printer just to get these battery cells. So, and in order to get the battery cells, are these ones? Okay, that's not bad. I can actually get these parts. Yeah, I can get these normal materials, but yeah, process to build these two to get that. But on your emergency, you only can build this, which is not convenient in a way. But yeah, can you bring me back my car that's 8K away? It disappeared, and stop throwing my vehicle elsewhere, like down there. Don't know why it got thrown out there. It got hooked up. And also, oh, I remember, why is it that your hover jack is only allowed to be built on these dirt lands, not on here? You can't build it anywhere on this. I don't understand why. Because, especially as you can see, look how it's been dented. That's because of me trying to, what do you call it, construct and deconstruct my vehicles. That's why I have it down here, because I tend to, somehow it misses my vehicle and it hits into the ground and it digs the ground instead, which puts a pothole, and also digs around this, and then this also drops into the ground and it falls in a weird position and it shoots it like out here on an angle, or flips over upside down, and then I can't use it. I can't even pick it up. Look, I can't even pick it up. Why? Could you even give me a hand or some sort of gesture that I can actually pick up items, rotate them around? And also, why is it that why is it that we can only rotate 90 degrees and nothing else? I can't put it in a weird angle or anything, because I really want to connect my base from here to my other base that's down there, which I don't think I can drive there. Just bear with me, I'll quickly go there just to show you what I'm talking about, why I need more options to rotate my objects. And also I don't understand why you have the power cells. And look at this, if I don't have power for my beacon, I can't find it, which is a good concept that I like. Have a beacon needs to find out where your base is, but it needs power, continuous power and maintenance on your bases. So if you lose your base or lose the power for your base, you're pretty much screwed. So yeah, so as you can see, this is connected to my mine that's down there, and I've built it up all the way up to here, and now I can't connect this to this because this is also a different setup and different layout. So I can't connect this to this generator because let me see which I use 8. As you can see, it does not fit. 9. As you can see, it only works in 90 degrees. So if I do that, how is it gonna fit? I don't understand. What happens if I just do this? Would this be a little bit more clear? Yeah, there you go. How? I don't understand. Yeah, see, I can't even fit it in. Yeah, see, so I can't even do that either. So, yeah, I don't know, I don't understand what you guys doing, but this is the problem I'm having. So right now, I have set up my base down there, my mining base down there. So now I have to, it took me a long time to try to set that one up. So I've repiped this whole system here, and now I have to dismantle all of this that I've just built before so that I can connect it to this. Sorry. Yeah, so this is the issue I'm having. I'm trying to build it, trying to mine. Oh man, I should have. Oh crap, don't have materials. Now I have to build a shit ton of these generators, miners, to get a small amount of uranium to power this up, which is oh man, I need power. Oh man. Yeah. Fuck. I don't even have power for that either. Why? See, look at that. I don't have power, so I need power. So in order to get power, to power my generator, I need to I need to build a bio generator to power the medium refining printer to build the power, and then once you get that, then you can power your uranium power. So why do you need to build 2 power supply to do the job? It makes no sense. Shit, man. Yeah, I don't understand. And also your vehicle still runs on when you're not using it. Yeah, so like even on this, when you're not using power, it still uses if you can understand what I'm saying. So if I'm not printing anything, if I'm not printing anything, it uses power regardless. That goes for the vehicles too. If you're not using your vehicle, it still uses power. So I'm having a hard time right now. I usually do massive exploration, finding materials, and trying to locate better resources for mining. Now I cannot do that. And also, if you haven't noticed or haven't seen my videos, I'm only stuck in between this biome and this one here. So I have these two biomes. So that grassland, I think that's grassland. No, that's not grassland. That's my starting point. And then there's this land here. I think this is kind of like a snow biome. I'm not too sure what biomes you have here. It usually has snow here, but I have to reduce my graphics quality. Yeah. And then there's the grass, I think the grass biome that you guys have with all the seeds and stuff. Yeah, it's on the other side. So I think I'm only stuck with 2 or 3 biomes. I'm not too sure on that. But yes, I need help, and you need to sort out your battery supply concepts. So yes, well, I have to build a uranium power. So that's why I need to build a bio generator. Then I have to build a 3D printer, medium 3D printer. Then I have to build a medium 3D printer. Then I have to build a medium refinery to build the uranium, and then I have to build the uranium to get the maximum use out of it. So 2 power generators to do one simple task, which is not really good. If you're out in the survival, you need to build 2 generators, build this one and that one, because this one produces a lot more power, 2000, because you guys increase it to 2000, yeah, 2000 power, which is more ideal versus this one here, which only does 250, which is pretty crap. And you need to sort something else. So I don't know why you need 2 power supply, and also your battery pack that needs so much materials and work on it as well. But yeah, that's me for now. I'll continue using it and testing it out and give you some more feedbacks on it. Thanks. Bye.